Umalis na siya, baby. Nagtago nung nakita ko umakyat. We go to the school of Kuya. See ya. And then we go to slide. Huh. You said last night you will slide eh. You don't want slide? Why you don't want? What do you want to do? Huh? No. It's too early to watch. Opo. It's too early to watch. Honey, ganyan na kalalaki yung kinuha. Ay, yung brown, hindi yan. Yung iba na mas malaki. Ayun yung ganun. Dun. Yun yung sa may kahoy. Yan, ganyan. Nahuli nila yan. Ganyan nahuli nila kambal. Yan, yung nasa may kahoy. Yan sa may saging. Sid, how old are you now? Who is that? It's Tito Balong?
Guwapo, Tito Balong?
No.
Opo? Opo ba sagot mo? Parang hindi ang Balong eh.
Sassy. He's sassy.
Yeah. His name is Sid. What's your name? What is your name? They're playing with Tito Balong.
Ang malalaki ba ito? Sino ang babae?
Boy? Pang boy. Si Balong kasi boy na nga daw eh. Pero pwede yan sa girl.
Parang girl.
Pwede yan sa girl. Niloloko ka ni Tito Balong. What's that? Wow, they have a doll. Ang hirap takasan Balong, no? Oh, you play na. You go there. Bang, bang. Tito Balong. Oh, you play na, Mama will eat. You will play? Mama's hungry. Mama needs to eat. Please? Please? Can I eat? Can I eat? Habo, lamang ang pakakanon. Where is the baby? There, at Lola Lily. That's the baby. Where is your baby? Sabi niya. Kasi the baby is there with Lola. That's their baby. That's her baby.
Ayaw niya.
Hanggang mapapit siya.
Bakit gusto mo nila? Kasama ka baby si mama eh.
Oo, tama na eh. Ilang bulan na yan, ante?
8. 8 na. puro.
Ay, asan pala si Kwan? Si Dale.
Ha?
Si Dale.
Sino daw? Bakit ano oras ang ibig ka sila?
Ay, 11:30.
Oo, yan. Labasan siya.
Dito siya nagla-lunch. Louder. Oh, you kiss na lang, Lola. What will you say to Lola?
Bye-bye, ha? Bye-bye.
She is Lola Madrid, the sister of Lola Riching. Yeah, you bless.
Bye-bye, ha?
Oh, you bless pa with Lola. You didn't bless to Lola.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye na, ate.
Akala ko utot lang siya.
Oh, you say bye-bye na to Tita Tintin. Oo, Bing. Maglalaba pa siya. Mag-prepare pa yan pa Manila.